Okay, this is a brand new shear straight out of the package. Never been touched. I'm hoping the little silver line shows. And it's also a true convex shear. We moved to this shear. It was sharpened on the Ez-Vex. You can see, well, if it shows, there should be just a very small silver line in a true convex. When we moved to this shear, it was done on a vertical hone. You can see we now have a hollow grind down that edge, creating a new configuration for the shear. When we come to the shear here, it was convexed on a flat hone, creating the silver finish rather than the coating. It has wiped the coating off the shear.